Hello guys, how are you? Hope you guys are doing well. Myself Ketul Patel, and today I am going to show you about something about DSLR camera. So digital DSLR camera. So which camera you have to buy and which camera is preferable for you, like particular beginner and professional cameraman, that I have already shared with you in my early video. So today I am going to unpack the camera. So here, let's see, I have buy 1300D Canon camera. So let's see what we have in this camera. So basically I am from India, but I have buy this camera from Saudi Arabia. So let's see. So this is the bag, camera bag. So you get with this camera, and this is this is the camera. So this is, you can see here, this is the 3000D DSLR camera, and let's see what we get inside this. So let me take this in the table here. So in this camera, what you get inside this, so you can check here, like in this, here it is written here, like it is the one digital camera, then zoom lens, which is 18-15 millimeter, then one strap, then battery charger, one pack, battery pack, and interface cable. So these are the things you get inside this box. So let's open this box, and I am very excited to see this. Let's see. Digital, this camera is very good for beginners. So in this camera, in this box you get one CD, like oh, this is the user guide, so you can, but oh, this is in Arabic language. Because I have buy this camera from Saudi Arabia, that's why. So that is not good for me. Let's see. This is the good things. If you are beginner, then this is the good things. So you can learn what is inside this camera and how to use this camera. This is the user manual, this is the book kind of thing. So you can use, if but you have to read this. This is the very good thing, very bad thing. You have to read this. But if you know something about this camera, then you don't need to read. But if you read, then it is good. Then what I other things I get in this, that is, okay, this is the pill, and this is the cable, charger cable. So let me put here this, and this is the charger. So also let me put this here. This is the spread, then the cable, the spread that you can use the camera for safely use purpose. And this is the other cables. You can connect with your mobile, and USB cable, you can say. And then battery, this is the battery. So let's see about the battery also. Then this is the main two things, is lens. Let me put here, and this is the camera. Yes. So all are in simple packing. If you can see, this is the in bubble packing, and this is also in bubble packing. So this two things are sensitive, you can say. Okay, so let's unpack this camera first. Okay, two covers. Okay. Okay, this is the, you can see, this is the camera, Canon camera. This is the cover, back front cover, and this is the 1300D. Wow, looks good. This looks good, pretty good. Okay, let's see. This is the. Let me open this. Also, I have one more thing I have get, that is like 16 GB, 16 GB memory card. This is, wow. This is the lens. So I am a beginner, so I have to know about this lens. I have to learn. I have to know. So let's see. I know about something about this, but this is also first time for me. Now, so this is the camera you get. This is the lens you get in this. That is EFS 80 to 55 mm, and this is the battery. Battery is how many mAh? Let's see. So the battery is okay, you can see that it is 6.36 Wh Lee line battery. Okay, let's see where it is made in from. Where, let me see, where here somewhere it is there. Okay, here, that is made in Taiwan. Okay. I don't know where is Taiwan. We'll see, we'll Google it. Okay, so first thing is how to okay, this is the cover. Let me open this cover. Let me switch. Okay, and okay, so in this camera you can see here there was one signal. One is white and one is red. So this is the sensor. That is the sensor. So, and in this lens also you can get the sensor. Yes, this is the signal. So you have to match this white to white. You can see. Yes. Okay, and then just rotate it like this. Yes.